Hi everyone, today I want to make a short video about the difference between GDScript and C#. In most cases they are very similar, but in this case I think it was worth sharing the difference. So I'm going through part 14, destroying the player. It is pretty much the same as GDScript in the beginning. So basically we check when the player move, not standing still, but move in a direction. We want to know how many times the body, or player in this case, hit or collided with another body, or collision shape. So if it's only the tiles, then we only get one slide count in return. If it is both the tile and an enemy, then we get 2 slide counts. Alright, so we want to check what the player in this case is hitting, and we loop through the different collisions, and we want to specifically check for the enemy if we hit the enemy, and if we do, then we call the dead function, which is a custom function that prepare an endgame procedure. So let's check the difference. In GDScript we have for I in range and GetSlideCount. In C# we just do a loop, a for int loop. In GDScript it is simple to get the name or do a name check, but it requires a little bit more code in C#. We need to convert it to a node or a node 2D, anything that has the name property. And then I use index of, because when I do a drag and drop enemy into the scene, the enemy will get a number, in this case enemy 16. So we only want to check if the node has enemy in it. So if this string is found, then we call the dead function. Now the same code runs in the enemy script. We don't need the index of in this case, but I left it there because I'm lazy. Here's another lesson. Always use what is available to you. For example, you don't need to extract the player object with getNode when you have the player object already assigned to the body. But what can be worth mentioning is that if you want to access the player object through getNode, then you need to go back one step through getParent. Otherwise you will not find it. And of course, if you want to call the dead function on player, then you need to convert it to a player class. Alright, so this is what I wanted to mention and what I discovered. Sometimes a GDScript to C# conversion is not straightforward, so you need to do some experimenting in order to find the right counterpart. Alright, thank you for watching. Press like if you like this video. Take care and see you in my next video. Bye bye.